we are helping them to increase their economy.
Okay, are we all ready? So your topic is, should Chinese product be banned in India or not? So let's see who is going to break the ice. Okay?
So good evening, guys. I'm Khushi from Team B, and I would like to share my thoughts with you guys. Being in the opposition of Chinese products should be there or not. So
To say that Chinese products should be banned in India as they have bad product qualities and we cannot be dependent on them for a long time period because they are very temporary type of products and they can be broken. They would be broken in just like 2 or 3 days. So we can't be dependent on them for a long time.
They are saying that Chinese products should be banned, but we should have the diversity of between countries. We should have the helping countries, and China didn't say that India is bad or something, so we should have the diversity.
Okay.
But according to a study, Chinese people, countrymen, are forcing poor people to work for them, and they are really paying less amounts of it.
The material, the phone they are using, the material which they are using to make phones, that comes from China only. So how can they say that China is bad?
And the opposition team said that China is a developed country and we are the developing country. So I think we should promote our nationality more than other countries. Because of course, if we are developing country, so we should develop it more, na? So we should increase our economy.
That's good, but they didn't answer the question. Every material, every product are of China used by Indians only.
Like first of all, if we are buying Chinese products, we are telling them that we cannot make it for sure. Okay, so they are thinking that we are the one who can sell them. Like just like the Britishers did, they came here and just ruled on us, saying that we can develop to buy. But it's not like that. If we are buying our own products, then we are helping our country to increase its economy. And if we are buying their products, it means we are helping them to increase their economy. That will lead them into the top 5 most biggest economic countries in the world. And we cannot let that happen.
We had a very good debate, like Chinese products should be banned or not. You had given your words, views, opinion. That was good. But could you please tell me what mistake we have done during the debate? Because this was our, warm-up session. Anybody?
हमने चाइना को सपोर्ट नहीं किया.
Yeah. We had very laconic type of knowledge for that topic.
Okay.
And the students were stupid.
Stupid, alright.
चाइना के प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छे हैं.
No, I mean, still think deeply. What are the points? See, first of all, I would like to congratulate you that I have given you the topic extempore. The topic was extempore. You have given your feedback on the spot, but still, do you have any idea or should I share? The thing is that I was expecting that when you were into the arguments or debate, you should introduce the person like opposition party. Yes, I am agree with you, but my point is this. Yes, I am agree with you, but my point is that you slowly and gradually somehow you were into the heated argument. That should not be the point of any kind of the debate, because if you are going to do the same thing, you will lose your marks, right? So that shouldn't be. And no one is like, okay, wow, you gave a very good point. Because sometimes Sanskriti had given a very good point, sometimes Deepak sir, sometimes Ashu. But instead of respecting each other's point, there was no respect. We were clapping, but you were not. So for the next section, I am expecting that we are not going to repeat this.